Hi there. I had a problem with my HVAC Colex. It's made in Kuwait, but actually it is, they call it American branded name, but assembled in Kuwait. This is, I think, 2008. It's a 4-ton compressor. It has a 4-ton compressor. The problem, there was overheat on the compressor, and it was not cooling well. And after the inspection, I check all the inlet, all the in vacuum and the pressure. It came out that there was a plugged filter, so that's why you cannot even do it by yourself So I purchased a filter. I bleed the system, and now I'll change the filter and clean it nice and well. Thanks for watching. I will fit the filter, then I will come back to you. Gentlemen, I charged the system, but it's still not cooling. It seems like we have another problem here. I'm going to check the condenser. Maybe it's plugged, but compressor is kicking, but not cooling. So I have to pull this and this. But this is the way. Now I change the piston, and that's charge the system, and still not cooling enough, and I put enough gas, and I will try to go toward another step to check all the pipelines, and maybe I might pull the compressor and check it and see what's going on. Anyway, I hope everybody likes it. Enjoy yourself, guys.